Doesn't help that I have to perform miracles before I get the recognition that my peers get shown. I remember they told me spit it in a clear tone. You too raspy, young and you sound too old. But I live in a place where people's dreams go to die. So excuse me if I have wrinkles on my brow or under my eyes. My mama found truth in the stomach among some of the lies. Getting raped by a close friend could fuck up your life. But some good could come in disguise. There's quite a thin line between love and despise. I touch in the thighs, he feels the numb in the spine. I'm fucking the mind, having a threesome, making love to a crime. This is the year of the plentiful, the successful career of a criminal. When the monk priest decides it's time to hit the road, the Saturday when the rabbi decides to lift the load, flipping through roads, skipping a few stones through the sea. The lack of a healthy feel like what could God do to me? I move with ease through the things people usually hoop and scream about, lose their dreams about, decide to choose an easier route. We need a drought just so we can know we need the clouds. We need a jury just so we can go and beat the trial. Feeding the Nile from all the salt these niggas speaking out. They writing checks they can't cash, I had to freeze accounts. Greasy mouse, the type of friends that hit the weed and bounce. I studied horticulture just so I could weed them out. The bitch niggas that get beat up go home and beat they spouse. We don't all participate, but at least we allow. I like my car parked up the block. Take my tape deck out and keep my car doors locked. 'Cause these kids throw rocks in. These kids ain't got aim. I like my car parked up the block. Take my tape deck out and keep my car doors locked. 'Cause these kids throw rocks in. These kids ain't got aim. I have the flow 10 times harder than these Seattle cats who make albums out of battle raps. They niggas snitch on them and then they tattle back. It's sad they using more of the drugs that they have than they've ever trapped. I front them a pack and I never asked for the cheddar back. 'Cause they must need a rehab, it's above their budget cap. I wish there was a law that only real niggas could fucking rap. They mugging me, I'm bucking back. Whoops, there goes another strap. Fucking Raz, you fucking right, I fucking spaz. I was taught never shoot a shot with a shaky hand. Glad I had an absent father, not an angry dad. Being a bastard child never made me mad. You have to be sitting down and laying down to take a stand. I'm knocking on pearly gates, standing on golden floors. The demons are scared to say my name, Voldemort. Hold a sword, go to war, chop a neck with no remorse. Then pretend I actually give a fuck when I go to court. Deep wounds, strangled souls with open sores. I did what any D-boy does when they close the ports and shit. Resorted to more resourcefulness. Extortionist, turn a rich man to a contortionist. I like my car parked up the block. Take my tape deck out and keep my car doors locked. 'Cause these kids throw rocks in. These kids ain't got aim. I like my car parked up the block. Take my tape deck out and keep my car doors locked. 'Cause these kids throw rocks in. These kids ain't got aim. I like my car parked up the block. Take my tape deck out and keep my car doors locked. 'Cause these kids throw rocks in. These kids ain't